Okay, we're going to leave the bike there and we're going to buy something that is ready to eat. They don't have ready to eat meal. I was looking for the fried chicken, any chicken, but they don't have. And now we're going to buy dishwashing liquid. Maybe this $3, 1 liter. No, it's a floor cleaner. Oh, actually this one. This just $2. Look at this. This is just 99 cents, and it is a home brand. I bought one of that before, but it's now no bubbles almost. So we're going to take this one. We're going to take one of these fried noodles. This is just $1. We are also going to take one of this. We're going to try this one, and I'm going to eat it when I get home. This is just $2.80. Regular price is $3.50. Okay. Yo, good morning guys. So yeah, I just finished my coffee. I also had my banana, like on my breakfast. I am now saving the video that I just edited, and I heard my laundry, it's done. Let's have a look. Yeah, it is done. And yeah, actually I'm going to put it outside now. Oh, actually we put that later when my landlord is done with his morning routine. I go to eat first. Usually my landlord sit down outside, eat his orange, and yeah, stay there for a little bit under the sun. Okay, I have now my my clothes outside drying, and we are going to eat this. This is the pancit coming from Cassie and Roy. And this is it. I want to say thank you to Cassie and Roy. I experienced again Filipino food. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going out today because we're going to meet some people. I don't know if they're a group or one person. Maybe it's a family, or I don't know. Minutes too late. There's so many people here at Arbola Marina at the moment. I am expecting many people today because it's weekend. Look, nice. Oh, there is a busker. This one is coming from Cassie and Roy. It is like a plate number. Yeah, we're going to leave the bike there. And yeah, we're going up to the Hug's birthday. They said they are there, and at the moment there are many people in that restaurant and ice cream shop. Nice. Yo, after a very long time we are here again, going to eat, and I have my new friends here. Lipat na kayo sa buo. Ganda ng ano. Salamat. Ano to?
Pagkain, masarap yan kuya. Hindi ka din makakaya.
Lulutuin ko to o lutuin?
Pinapahita lang yan.
Ginagawa ko sa ano yung friend.
Barbecue yan.
Salamat.
Bye-bye!
Nahiya pa ako pag ano eh.
Ako rin. Sige,
Sige, salamat.
bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Thank you!
Salamat din dito. Yeah, thank you to Michael and family. Okay. There's just my bike in there. I'm thinking of maybe staying here for a little bit because I have a coffee in here, but I have a food in my backpack and I don't want that food to be spoiled. So we go home first and then we come back. That is what they gave me. Oh, it's dry already. I just picked from outside. Look at that, looks delicious. And two of them. And thank you very much. Yeah, and there's one nice looking car in here. Yeah, there we go. Nice, I can feel the wind breeze. Actually, when it's closed, it was a little hot and I feel like taking this off, but no, it's good. I am reviewing the video that I just uploaded. I am happy that people are keep on watching my video, even if it is always the same. Work, along the way, the beach, cooking. Yeah, thank you very much. Oh, look at this. There are some stuff here that are usable still. This is how it is at the moment. Water is very calm. Nice weather today. All blue sky as you can see. And Michael and his family has a good day today for coming here in Port Stephen Bay Area because the weather is nice. He said that the last time they come here was rainy. They are coming from Tamworth. So yeah, shout out to all the people watching my videos in Tamworth. I have been hearing Tamworth and yeah, it's like a big city, inland city. Yeah, I want to go there. Yeah, that guy is also having a bike, something like a bike packing bike. Nice. I'm seeing a lot of people doing bike packing these days. If I'm not mistaken, they are husband and wife, retiree. Nice, they are enjoying. Okay, we are here now. This is my real intention why I come here. Okay, maybe you are first time on my channel. I will show you first what is down there. So basically that's the highway, and every parts in here there is something like exercise area like that. We're going to go there later, and this is how it is. And also I hope you understand my English. Yeah, so this is how it is at the moment. Yeah, residential area. I can see a lot of people, kids in there. Also there are some kids in here with their puppy, and yeah, and there are more people in there walking with their dogs. And that's basically the town center of Nelson Bay, Shoal Bay, Pingle Bay. Oh, beautiful. Okay, that's it. Now we're going to do the pull-ups. I am actually doing pull-ups almost every after my duty, after work. Yeah, because this is on my way to home. I actually bring these gloves because before, maybe 1 year ago, I was working out in the gym, but then I become lazy. That was tiring. It's just 10, and I don't know if you can see, but at the moment there is one guy. He is doing that pedal kayak something. That's a good exercise. Okay, let's go one more. I already did 20. It's a 10, 5, 5. We're going to do another 5 to make it a 25. The gloves is a very big help. Yeah, if you remember last time I did some pull-ups and yeah, I got a little injury in my palm. Oh, that's 30 already. Yeah, we're going to do another 5. We're going to do last 5. That's it. Yeah, we're going home now.